Guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use either land or portrait mode you're working. What you need to do here after adjusting yourself is just to snap your finger. Alright, by the time you snap your finger, you wait for a few seconds. Then after that, now you can just walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay, click on CapCut, guys. Click on new video now. You are going to import your video to workspace. Click on your video and click on volume to reduce it to 0. Okay, mark on this good, you go back. Let's locate where we want the video to start. Before we walk in from here, I am going to be making a split here now. Okay, delete this first part and locate where you want the video to end. Okay, locate where you want your video to end. You slam your hand, then you still go front before you walk out. Okay, from this point you click it and make another split. Okay, you delete this last part, then you locate that point. This is how it's going to play. This is how this video is going to play. Okay, but we are locating that point where we slam our hand. Immediately you snap your hand, come back from this place where you slam your hand. You are going to click on this arrow here to click on overlay. Click on overlay there, look at it, overlay. Then you click on add overlay. Okay, then you import this your $green screen to workspace. Okay, let's locate where we want it to start from here. Before it popped up, click and make a split there. Delete this first part, locate where it will end. Immediately from here, immediately it finishes from this point. Now you click and make another split, delete this last part, click it and drag it front, drag it to the point of that your hand. Okay, but the next thing is to click it and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, click on chroma key, you drag it to green point, mark on this good and go back. Click it again to locate adjust, guys. Click and locate adjust. Click on adjust there, click on HSL, look for it, click on HSL, mark on green, reduce saturation to 100%, mark on this good, then you go back. So at this point now, we are going to locate where we slam our hand. Okay, locate that point, then you drag the green screen layer to the point of that your slamming finger. Okay, so locate it, drag it. Then at this point, locate the dollar when it's popping up and drag it to the point of your finger. Don't make mistake here, drag it, but I want to turn this dollar the other way around. Let me turn it like this. After turning it, still locate the dollar when it's popping up and still drag it to your finger. Okay, drag it to your finger. Okay, as you drag it to your finger, now we are adding keyframe here. You are going to be adding keyframe at this starting point of the green screen. Then you adjust the video, then you expound it. Use your two thumbs to expound it, make it to cover the screen. After that, we are going to be playing you to see what we have got. Good. Immediately you slam your finger, the dollar pops up. Okay, that is the magic there. But we are not done. Okay, we are still going to be clicking on add overlay. You import this other dollar here, locate where you want it to start from. Before it start coming down, you make a split here and delete this first part, drag it front. Okay, just drag it to align with the other one. Make it align. Okay, after aligning it, you are going to click it to go and look for remove BG. Okay, locate remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG. Now you click on chroma key, you drag it to green point and mark on that good and go back. You are clicking it again to look for adjust like we did before. Locate adjust and click on adjust, HSL, click on green and drag saturation to 100% to mark on this good. You go back. So at this point, you expound it with your two thumbs to fit the screen or to cover the screen. After that, you do your necessary adjustments and then we are going to play it to see what we have got and what it look like. You can see what we have got so far. But when you look at this other green screen now, you will see it's longer than the video. So we are going to be making a split here. Make a split and delete this last part. Click it to trim it to be equal with the video. Then after that, we are going to playing it. We are playing it from the beginning to see what we have got. As you can see, as it's playing, remember to add all your sound effect, your light effect if need be, and after that you can now export your video to your gallery. This is the result of what we have got. This is good. After playing it now, you click on export here. We are going to be exporting the video to our gallery. As you can see, it's exporting. Now this video have installed in your gallery. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. You have any magic tricks or effect you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop an amazing tutorial. If you have watched to this point, guys, it means you have passion to learn. Don't hesitate to reach out to me privately if there is anything confusing to you. You are free to ask any question anytime, any day. See you in our next video, guys. Thank you for watching.